First, I just want to say thank you to everybody for taking time out of, an awkward Thursday afternoon. Obviously, as you know, we were supposed to gather a couple of weeks ago for one of my favorite moments of the year, which is when we, as a department, very close department that really believes in being close with students.
What is going on? Andrew.
Oh, sorry, just shuffling papers, I guess.
Yes, but a time that, it brings us together and highlights how we as faculty love to enhance our student experience and how close we come to know our students through not only in the classroom, but through advising, sporting events, clubs, activities put on by Kelly, and so many other things. So it's my absolute delight to be with you today and be part of this award ceremony where we honor some of our really dynamic and really dynamite students that we could not be any more proud of. So thank you for the students who took the time out of this Thursday to join us. Thank you to the faculty who are with us. Thank you to the emeritus faculty who have joined us today. And it's really great that everybody is here for this. So I'm going to turn it over to Tyler to start the festivities.
Okay, we thought we would start with the alma mater. So I'm going to play the recording. We'll see if the volume's okay.
Good.
Wonderful. Right, yeah, we could do the Zoom clap, right? Or the
Yeah.
Funny how we've all gotten used to these things in the last couple of weeks. Right there it is, the yellow hands in the top right-hand corner. So I want to turn it over to the actual events, and we're going to try to keep the same format that we've always done, just unfortunately minus the really nice food and cocktails. I'm going to give a brief just name of the award that we're about to give out and serve as MC. And then I'm going to turn it over to each particular award winner's advisor. That way they can talk a little bit about the award itself and the achievement that that student has earned. So without further ado, our first award for today is our coveted Stanley P. Brown Award. And this will be presented by Dr. Andrew Perry.
So the Stanley P. Brown Award has a lot of history. The late Dr. Stanley P. Brown was a 1954 graduate of Springfield College and a professor of mathematics in a department of course for more than 30 years. The prize named in his honor is given to the sophomore or junior math major who has maintained a cumulative academic index of at least 3.0 and a record of excellence in mathematics. It consists of a framed certificate and a $250 credit towards the tuition balance. And furthermore, your name will be placed on a plaque that is prominently displayed in the department along with past recipients of this honor. And Allie Mowry is the winner of this year's award. So congratulations, Allie.
Thank you.
Well deserved.
Allie, now is the time when you have to sing your song and solve the Rubik's Cube simultaneously. And now you get to go like this so you can pretend that you're holding the certificate. How's that?
Thank you.
Wonderful. Congratulations, Allie. It's absolutely well deserved. I do have to ask you, though, how is your foot doing?
It's a lot better. Yeah. I've started walking on it in a shoe now, and I have like insoles. So I'm not, in like a few weeks, I should be like clear to do anything. But right now I'm just like starting to walk around the house without any help or boot or anything. So it's really
good for you.
Yeah.
Okay, our next award is one that is an interesting one because it's not only sponsored by our department, but as most of you know, Springfield College itself gives out an academic award straight from Academic Affairs, which is delivered to a student achieving great things within that department within a particular major. And so this year, presenting the award for Math, Physics, and Computer Science college-wide achievement, again, will be Dr. Andrew Perry.
So this is a very special award, and at times when the award is presented in an awards hall with all the other departments' award winners, the faculty presenters go on for long periods of time, and I certainly could go on for hours and hours singing the praises of this year's award winner. She has a fantastic academic record, serves as a student trustee, embodies Humanics, having played basketball on the varsity team for 4 years and being captain for 3 years, and I could go on, but I imagine everyone knows who this award winner is now. It's Alex Goslin. So we're really happy that you're a part of our department, Alex. Congratulations.
Thank you.
Wonderful, congratulations, Alex. Alex and I actually live in the same town, so maybe if I shout loud enough from my backyard here, she might be able to hear me say congratulations.
Thank you.
Okay, our next award is our Math Achievement Award. And this is again a departmental level award that honors math achievement. And I'm going to once again, I think this is turning into I mean, Dr. Perry, you're doing something really good with your advisees. I want to once again welcome Dr. Perry.
So the Mathematics Achievement Award is a straight award for achievement in mathematics classes, and it's been really competitive. In recent years, we've had a lot of mathematics majors with GPAs close to 4.0. But this year's award winner is the best of the best, and it's Miranda Gaetani. Congratulations, Miranda.
Thank you.
Very well deserved, and I'll echo Dr. Perry's words. I mean, when we have to pick nominees for the awards, we're just year after year just consistently blown away with the achievement that you ladies and gentlemen bring to the classroom. And it's so wonderful to hear that it's not just scholastic achievement, it's all these other things that you guys are doing. It's really not only inspirational for us, but it really is, I think, speaks to the volume of the Springfield College education of spirit, mind, and body. So congratulations again, Miranda. Okay, our next award is our award for achievement in computer science. And so I'm going to turn this over to Professor Dina.
I'm going to present this award in absentee because I don't see Jeremy around, Jeremy Vera. So here, I'm going to share with you that the Computer Science Achievement Award has been given to the major with the highest GPA upon graduation. So Jeremy is an outstanding student, an athlete with an overall GPA of 3.883. Jeremy has completed 2 concentrations in the computer science major, software development and information network security. He has been involved in internships in his field of study. His minor is animation. So Jeremy is very prolific, and Jeremy is hardworking, courteous, and a great gymnast. So it is my honor to present this award to Jeremy, although he's not here, but we are celebrating him. So.
Yeah, a big congratulations to Jeremy. I know that Jeremy has been very busy. He's done a couple of internships and he's always doing something else. So we wish he could join us today, but he really is an outstanding computer science student. And so we're very proud of him in this department here. Congratulations, Jeremy. Okay, our next award is our award for excellence in achievement for the MACT program, the Math and Computer Technology program. And so to give out that award, I want to turn it over to Jeff Gagnon.
Hi, so the Math and Computer Technology Achievement Award is given to the junior or senior MACT student who has shown great academic achievement in their major. Typically, they have the highest GPA, which is the case this year. So this year, the award goes to Emily Carroll. Emily has shown great academic achievement even before coming to Springfield College. She transferred, I believe, 6 classes, including 5 AP classes when she came in. And her first math class taken was Calculus 3. I believe that was with Fidesz. And that's not even required for our MACT majors, so it's pretty incredible. She has consistently performed at a high level academically during her 3 years here and is very deserving of the award. So again, congratulations, Emily Carroll. And I don't think she's here today, unfortunately.
And again, a big congratulations to Emily. The MACT program, as Jeff knows, is a very challenging program, especially to fit all the requirements in within a 4 years time frame. And so to achieve this achievement is really something special. So congratulations to Emily. Okay, for our next award, I'm going to turn this over to Dr. Perry to give out the Sports Analytics Achievement Award.
So the Sports Analytics Achievement Award goes to the Sports Analytics minor who shows the best promise in sports analytics, especially from the semester project in the capstone course of Sports Analytics Seminar. And this year's award recipient broke new grounds in creating an online blog on Pittsburgh Pirates first baseman Josh Bell, who had a very intriguing season last year, where he had a fantastic record-setting first half of the season, and it was just terrible the second half. And this year's recipient did an excellent project describing the analytics of the situation and making predictions going forward. Just an amazing project, befitting a sports journalism major. So it's an excellent, it was a true masterpiece of sports analytics merged with sports journalism and web reporting. And this year's award recipient is Jack Margaros. Congratulations, Jack.
Thank you.
Yeah, and although sports analytics is not a major currently, although with the popularity of it, maybe that's something that we might change in the future. But again, the students that are taking and enrolling in these courses in sports analytics, the competition has just been stellar, and Dr. Perry has done a great job really making that program not only attractive to students, but something that really fits into our program of offerings here at Springfield College.
The competition was really fierce for this award.
The next award that I'm proud to announce is the Professor Peter Polito Award, and this is a very special award. We're joined by Professor Peter Polito today, and this is an award that I always feel very personally tied to, because Peter did such wonderful things as chair of MPCS for 30 years. And so I knew that when I joined Springfield College, after picking up where Andrew left off, I had some really big shoes to fill. And every day I keep that in mind. And every day I'm proud to be part of this family that Peter really helped create. So once again, turning it over to announce the winner of this year's Peter Polito Award is Dr. Andrew Perry.
So the Peter Polito Award is officially in recognition of a hardworking and dedicated student in the Department of Mathematics, Physics, and Computer Science who embodies the spirit of retired department chair Peter Polito. Just like Dr. Brown, Dr. Polito has been really a legend in the department for many years, perhaps even more of a legend, as he was also department chair for decades. And not only department chair, but really inspired us all with hard work and dedication to students, to the faculty, to the college in general. So anyone who wins this award should be especially honored. This year's award now comes with a cash prize as well of $80 to the student winner. This year's winner has a great deal of general academic excellence as well, and could have also easily won another award, but we don't want to give any awards to, we don't want to give the same person multiple awards. So with immense academic excellence in mathematics, as well as extraordinary hard work, this year's winner is always discussing mathematics, asking for help with homework, always wants everything to be perfect, and it pretty much always is. So this year's winner is Sydney Ratliff. Congratulations, Sydney.
Thank you.
Congratulations, Sydney. It's very, very well-deserved honor. So usually that is the where our award ceremony ends, but that is not the case this year, because our department was very fortunate to have an anonymous donor endow some more awards for students, because our department is one that does serve a large portion of the campus, and it is one that is very interdisciplinary. And so there's a couple of new awards for those of you who have been with us in the award ceremonies in the past. And again, when the presenter presents their student, they'll also present what these new awards are for, but I think that you're going to recognize some of the names. So to introduce our next award, and for the first time ever, the Professor Fidesz Boucher Humanics Award, I'd like to please welcome Dr. Tyler Markkinen.
Good afternoon. My name is Tyler Markkinen, and it's my honor to present this year's Professor Fidesz Boucher Humanics Award. The Boucher Award recognizes a mathematics student who exemplifies the humanics philosophy within the Mathematics, Physics, and Computer Science department through community engagement. Community engagement is meant to be interpreted broadly and may include, for example, active class participation, which enhances the learning experience for other students, and representing the MPCS department at special events such as open houses. This year's recipient is a mathematics and secondary education major, and he has an overall GPA of 3.79. It's my privilege to present the Professor Fidesz Boucher Humanics Award to Eric Henke.
Congratulations, Eric. First time for this award. That's got to be a true honor. And I can always say that I love having you help out at open houses, having the students there to back me up when I say something silly. I'm just kidding. But having the students there to give their perspective about what a great place Springfield College is and what a great place MPCS is, we can't thank you enough, Eric. And to you too, Fidesz. We couldn't thank you enough last year for your service, and we're hoping that everybody is always reminded of your service to the college and to humanity when they step foot in the MPCS department. So thank you.
Yeah, I'm honored, definitely.
Okay, our next award is, again, all these are new awards, but this one, again, a very special time. After 30 long, wonderful years, Professor Zenobia Lejeska is retiring at the end of this academic year. She is a physicist by trade, and she is someone who is got just such a great outlook on life. She brings such dynamic action to the classroom, and we're so sorry that her last semester had to be one that was so weird and so strange, but Zenobia will always be part of our department, and now she will forever have her name encapsulated in this award. So, for the first time ever offered in MPCS history, I would like to announce Zenobia to give the Professor Zenobia Lejeska Humanics Award.
Hey, thank you. I am actually giving this award because I am advisee of Daniel Puriton, who is getting this award. The requirements for the award are very similar to the requirements of the award for Professor Fidesz Boucher. So it has to be a student who is excelling academically and also engage and enroll into all different type of projects within the department or within our college. And I thought that the best person really will be Daniel Puriton for that award. She is the best advisee I practically ever had during my career. Her GPA is 3.942. She transferred several AP classes when she came to Springfield College. She is looking into taking graduate courses at Springfield College. We do know what Mac major means today. Mac major is one of the most difficult majors because you have to have a very structured set of classes which you take in the order. So, you know, she is excelling academically and also looking into taking graduate level classes. So she even has some time because she transferred quite a bit of credits. She has time to fill out all of some of these graduate level courses. So one of my best students, I ever saw, my best advisee, also very, very involved. It's a humanics engagement award, so she's a very involved person. From what I do know for this academic year, she was very busy and, you know, in Math 101 classes, she volunteered to present as a first person MTEL projects in that class. She attended our math club meetings. She also was very busy with open houses, more kind of on the education side, but she represented what is done in our department during this open houses meeting. She also is very busy with so-called, she works with as an English conversation partner. She works with international students, help them to understand American culture, which is a large part of our, you know, humanics kind of approach to invite all of the foreigners and help them out to get acquainted with our culture. She also is helping people with disability to learn different type of skills. And there's a lot of different projects she's involved with. I could go on. I do have a whole list here. So she's really a person who deserves that award. And as mentioned, she's my best of the best. So congratulations, Danielle.
Thank you so much.
And congratulations again, Danielle. We have another new award, and again, another one that is very timely and very special for this year, because alongside Professor Lejeska, Professor Nina Dini has also been with Springfield College for over 30 years. And for over 30 years, she has been developing and teaching new computer science courses, and really worked with Professor Peter Polito to bring computer information sciences not only as a major, but with all of its various concentrations, also embedded in the general education core. So they have, or Professor Dini has been able to interface with so many students, both in major and outside of major, over 30 years. We cannot thank her enough for her service. She will be retiring at the end of this year, but she's still going to have to help us out because we still have a lot more work to do in computer science. So it is again my pleasure to announce for the first time the Professor Nini Dina Humanics Award, to have Professor Dini herself give out that first award.
Well, it's my pleasure to give this award again in absentee, because Mark, I don't see Mark on the screen. Mark
is here. He's just, his picture is not there.
Sorry guys, I don't have a webcam.
Yeah.
Oh, Mark is there. Wonderful. Okay. Mark, I'm really honored to give you this award. I have to say that Mark has achieved a wonderful overall GPA of 3.923. Although this award is not about the highest GPA, but Mark has really been a delight to have in the classroom. So this award is in recognition of a computer science major who exemplifies humanics philosophy within the mathematics, physics, computer science department through community engagement, as the award is kind of explained. And this has been interpreted broadly as active participation, which enhances the learning experience for other students. And I have witnessed that in Mark, in my system seminar course, how he was instrumental and a team leader in the project that they delivered, helping other students to learn computer science through formal tutoring and informal help, which he really did, and also volunteering for departmental projects such as departmental social media. So it is really a student who has been serving Springfield College also in his capacity. He's working in our marketing department on campus. And it is with great pleasure and honor that I present this award to Mark, and wish him the best.
Thank you.
Congratulations, Mark, and all of us are aware of all the things that you do for not only our department, but for Springfield College as a whole, and so we thank you for that. It's a great honor to receive this award as Professor Dini's namesake. We have one last award today. Again, this is another new award, and this is an interesting one because it's an award that goes in conjunction with our department as well as the Department of Biology and Chemistry. And this is the Professor Ilene McGowan Environmental Science Award. So as many of you know, for many years there was a partnership between math, physics, and computer science, as well as biology and chemistry, that offered a joint major called environmental science. As years have gone on, it was realized that that major was more naturally housed only in biology and chemistry, although we still offer courses in that major here in our department. So, in recognition of academic excellence in the environmental science major, juniors and seniors for this major are eligible for this award, and preferences is going to be given to students who have not already been recognized with an award, but more importantly, is consulted with the professors that work in the environmental science department, such as Heikenau and Justin Compton, to provide references for people who would qualify for this award. And I'm happy to say that although he's never been my student, I think everybody in this room is familiar with the recipient of this year's award. It came with tremendous praise from High Canal and Justin Compton, and it was unanimous as to who should be the recipient of this award from the biology and chemistry department, and that person is Heath Post. So congratulations, Heath.
Thank you.
And congratulations to all of our recipients. I mean, this is a list of amazing achievements. You should all feel extremely proud of yourselves. Now, the nice thing about doing this by Zoom is that, you know, this would be the time when I'd probably ask you to stand up and take embarrassing pictures with me and embarrassing pictures with your advisors. So you don't have to worry about that. I'd probably ask you to share some, you know, some different things about yourselves that you might not want to do. So you don't have to worry about that either. So we kind of get out of all that. And we don't want to take up too much of your time because we know that you're spending time at home, you're with your families and friends. But I really do want to say a really big thank you again to the students, the faculty, the staff, the emeritus faculty who came out today and who helped put this together. So thank you to everyone.
Thank you, Jess.
And before we go, again, we started with our alma mater. I think it's a good place, especially since there are some of us that are either retiring or there are some people who are going to be graduating. I think it's a good place for us to end.
Good. I'll ask the faculty and staff to help me out at the very end. Again, I hope the volume's okay.
Wandering eyes, strong you bring thy love in song of earthly paradise. Who found wisdom, nor faith through faltering fears.
Methinks the dance was there through all the years.
Well, well done, but believe it or not, lately we can see on Zoom people who are doing a wonderful job. And I don't know if we have done so wonderfully, but it's good. We have to train a little bit to sing together.
That's right. We'll have to train for that. I also want to give one other big thank you before we part ways to Kelly Lavoie, who really helped put all of this together. As all the faculty and students know, none of this is possible without Kelly. Kelly is my partner, and every day I'm grateful for working with her. So tremendous thank you to Kelly for helping us put all this together.
Thanks. I love you guys. I miss you all.
Yes,
Kelly.
Thank you.
Okay, everybody. Well, I'm sincerely hoping to see you all at the end of the summer at graduation, as long as things allow it to be so. If not, then I'm looking forward to, again, hopefully seeing you all face to face in a couple of months. But please have a very safe, happy, and healthy summer. And we look forward to you continuing to be part of the MPCS family. Thank you, everybody.
Okay,
Take care. Congrats.
Bye.
Bye.